With your forecast update here in Phoenix, I'm National Weather Service meteorologist Jared Heil. On this Monday evening, pretty quiet for much of the area today. We did have a couple of severe thunderstorm and flash flood warnings over parts of southeast California, particularly near Joshua Tree National Park. But as I said, nice sunset this evening in Phoenix, a hot day today without much in the way of cloud cover even. It was a mostly sunny day for us. And for the middle part of the week, not a huge amount of rain here in the valley. It's going to be the latter part of the week and toward the upcoming weekend when we really see those chances for storms increasing. And you can see the trends here with our dew points climbing from near 60 into the mid and even upper 60s. Some of the most tropical laden air that we're going to have perhaps for the monsoon season is coming up later this week and right toward the weekend. And here's the reason why. Nice spin of low pressure across the Rio Grande Valley to the northwest of Laredo, Texas tonight. This is pushing toward the Big Bend of Texas, eventually south of New Mexico, and then it will likely curve from near the Baja up toward the Arizona, California region as we head toward the upcoming weekend. And that's when our rain chances will really begin to pick up and become likely from time to time. We'll let this loop of precipitation restart here, and you can see the heavy rain over parts of the Rio Grande Valley tend to weaken somewhat as it pushes northwest. But still, by the time we push toward Friday and into Saturday, those darker greens start to show up over Arizona, and that's when we see those better opportunities for measurable rain here across many areas. So in terms of our precipitation chances, you can see there that we're going to go from about a 20% chance of rain Wednesday to a 60% chance in the valley on Friday, 70% chance of rain on Saturday. So yes, we're into the likely territory already for Saturday on rainfall potential. And this is going to be an organized weather system, so many areas may see measurable rain at that time. Even out in Yuma, you folks have about a 40 to 50% chance of rain by Saturday. Rainfall totals over the next 7 days to come in yellow, anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 inches. That's what the current guidance is showing. Locally more, locally less, but if you average it out, you can see a lot of folks are going to get quite a bit of rain out of this system. It does look like later in the week. We need the rain, of course. We're in that long-term drought. We just don't want it to come too fast and cause flooding. So that will be a concern that we'll be watching through the week. Just a ton of moisture over the desert always raises concerns for the potential of flash flooding. One other thing to keep in mind is this temperature trend that we're going to see with this cloud cover and rain heading at us. It's going to turn cooler. In fact, by Saturday, our forecast right now is low to mid 90s, which would be well below normal for mid-August. So a lot to keep an eye on. We're talking about rain chances, some roller coaster temperatures, and quite a bit of humidity in the air. So we'll keep you posted on all of these changes on that forecast for the next several days right here at the NWS Phoenix on all of our social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook as well. Have a great night.